There's no right answer that proves correct for every situation. That's why you can't believe everything you see on the internet, and you must consider the source. Many self-serving companies will tell you that whatever service they are trying to sell you is the only option. The truth is, you have options, and each option has its pros and cons. For some, a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is the best option. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy completely eliminates your debt, but you must have little or no disposable income. In other cases, a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a good option. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a reorganization of your debt. The debtor must have income or assets and pay back a portion of the debts on a payment plan. This option allows you to eliminate your debts for a smaller percentage than you owe, and even allows you to strip a lien from your property if the fair market value is less than what is owed. The advantage of declaring bankruptcy is the obvious benefit of being debt-free in a relatively short amount of time, usually 3 to 6 months. But there are long-term ramifications to consider with the bankruptcy. It will be difficult to get a mortgage if you don't already have one. Your credit will suffer for 7 to 10 years. You will lose all of your credit cards, and also in most cases, you can't declare bankruptcy if you've previously declared in the last 6 years. So if you find yourself in financial trouble in the future, bankruptcy will not be an option again for many years to come. Of note, if you have student loans, it's also impossible to get those student loans dismissed by bankruptcy. For others, debt settlement is the best option, especially if you can't qualify for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. And a Chapter 13 bankruptcy can result in you paying 40% or more back on your unsecured debts. In a debt settlement, a negotiation is made with your creditor to reduce the total amount of debt that you owe. The savings can be significant. Depending on the type of debt and the age of delinquency, settlements can reduce your debt by as much as 60 to 80%. Seeking the advice of an attorney is always recommended, since they will give you an honest answer to these difficult questions, even if it means referring you out to another attorney and losing out on a fee.